My name is Myla Ibanez. I'm 44 years old, married with 5 kids, 1 boy and 4 daughters. I'm taking up Bachelor of Elementary Education, college level, and 2 years. I have working experience in Saudi. My main duties is cleaning the 3 bathroom and room. I cooking, I wash the clothes, dry and fold, and ironing. And the second employer is in Kuwait. My main duties is taking care the grandchildren of my employer, 7 years old and 5 years old. I cleaning the house, 4 room and 4 bathroom. I cooking, baking, wash the clothes, and ironing. I am a respectful person, kind, honest, and I work without supervision. To my future employer, I will do my best in my work and I finish my contract with you. Have a blessed day.